Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance. Well, a lot of people have been making videos on the Nest thermostat
And other
on
smart
how you
thermostats,
can hook it up if you had no C wire,
which not
and how you
all
can borrow
smart thermostats require, but many do.
the fan wire and convert it. But today what I wanted to show you is if you had done that, what the thing is that you can't use just the fan anymore. It disables just the fan. And I wanted to show you how you could actually use just the fan if that was your situation. What you would do is come over and turn off the breaker for your air conditioner. So this one's the condenser breaker. And then now you could just turn your air conditioner on and only the fan would be on. And then when you want to use it again, turn your thermostat off. So like this one, I could turn the air conditioner down. Of course, the air conditioner is going to kick on. But now the split system portion of the air conditioning is not going to be running. It's going to be just the fan.
So the fan's running, but the condenser outside
Okay,
is
and then
not.
when you want to use it again, it's best to just turn it off. So we'll push the button and we'll go to off. Turn it off. We can reset the breaker. And now we can use the air conditioner just like normal. And it's just so it was a... And this one's going to give me a delay because I turned the AC off, but that's okay. We'll delay 2 minutes and then we'll turn back on, and that'll be that. And it delays the thermostat, automatically delays just to protect the compressor anytime the AC is turned off or on.
Off and
the
then
machine
back on.
or the thermostat thinks that we turned the AC on, but we actually only turned the fan on. But just wanted to make a quick video on how you could still use just your house fan setting if you had wired a Nest thermostat
Or the somewhat smart thermostat.
and borrowed the wire for from the fan for the common wire.
A quick search of my YouTube channel, you should find a bunch of different videos that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs. Also, there's links in the description below the videos to tools and parts used in the videos.